In the question and answer session, today's question is describe the regulation of fatty acid synthesis. Regulatory agents are diet, citrate, hormones, serum-free fatty acids, availability of NADPH. Acetyl-CoA carboxylase is the regulatory enzyme. Diet is increased carbohydrate diet increases the acetyl coenzyme A, then the fatty acid synthesis increases. Like also fat-rich diet has opposing effects. It decreases the fatty acid synthesis. The next one is citrate. Increased citrate increases the acetyl-CoA carboxylase enzyme activity, increases the fatty acid synthesis. Okay. Then the acetyl-CoA carboxylase can exist in two forms. One is active, the another one is inactive form. So active form is the dephosphorylated one. If phosphate is added, so that becomes phosphorylated, so that will be inactive. Allosteric control. The acetyl coenzyme A carboxylase is also regulated by allosteric control. The feedback mechanism works in this aspect. Palmitic acid is the end product which inhibits the acetyl coenzyme A carboxylase through the feedback inhibition. Then, hormonal action, one of the most important regulatory mechanism. Increased plasma insulin increases lipogenesis and decreases the lipolysis that happens in the fat state. Whereas increased epinephrine and glucagon, their levels are increased in fasting state. They increase lipolysis and decrease lipogenesis. Okay. The mechanism is the acetyl coenzyme carboxylase. So phosphorylated is inactive. In the presence of insulin, phosphatase will be active. Phosphate will be removed. It will become dephosphorylated. That becomes active. Whereas in the presence of epinephrine and glucagon during the fasting state, the phosphate is added to the protein kinase mechanism. ATP gives the phosphate, makes it phosphorylated. It becomes inactive. Increase serum-free fatty acids. Okay, decrease the fatty acid synthesis. So fatty acid synthesis requires NADPH because it is reactive synthesis. So once NADPH is available, the synthesis can take place. If it is not available, synthesis cannot take place. Okay, these are various aspects of fatty acid synthesis regulation. Thank you very much.